How to use ChatGPT to play Red Dead Redemption 2. Part 1. Here are some tips for playing Red Dead Redemption 2 better. 1. Take your time. Red Dead Redemption 2 is a vast open world game with a lot of content to explore. Take your time to explore the world, complete side missions, and interact with the game's characters. 2. Upgrade your camp. Your camp is your home base in the game. Upgrading it can provide you with various benefits, such as better food, medicine, and ammunition. 3. Hunt and fish. Hunting and fishing are great ways to earn money and resources in the game. Look for animals and fish in the wilderness, and use them to craft items or sell them for money. 4. Maintain your weapons. Your weapons can degrade over time, affecting their accuracy and effectiveness. Clean them regularly to keep them in good condition. 5. Complete challenges. Challenges are a great way to earn rewards and improve your skills in the game. Look for challenges in the game's menu, and try to complete as many as possible. 6. Save your game often. Red Dead Redemption 2 does not have an auto-save feature, so it's important to save your game manually often to avoid losing progress. 7. Be aware of your surroundings. The game's world is full of dangers, including hostile animals, bandits, and rival gangs. Be aware of your surroundings and use cover to protect yourself in combat. Part 2. How to improve your Red Dead Redemption 2 gameplay experience. To improve your Red Dead Redemption 2 gameplay experience, here are a few tips. 1. Adjust the game settings. You can adjust the game settings to suit your preferences and system capabilities. Experiment with different graphics, control, and audio settings to find what works best for you. 2. Use the minimap and compass. The game's minimap and compass can help you navigate and locate objectives. Be sure to use them to avoid getting lost and to find your way around the game's vast open world. 3. Explore the game's world. Red Dead Redemption 2's world is full of secrets, hidden treasures, and interesting locations. Take your time to explore the game's world and discover everything it has to offer. 4. Try different playstyles. The game offers different playstyles, including gunslinger, brawler, and stealth. Experiment with different styles to find what works best for you and to keep the gameplay fresh. 5. Interact with the game's characters. The game's characters have unique personalities, stories, and missions. Interact with them to learn more about the game's world and to unlock new content. 6. Complete challenges and side missions. Challenges and side missions offer rewards and interesting gameplay experiences. Look for them in the game's menus and try to complete as many as possible. 7. Play with friends. Red Dead Redemption 2 offers multiplayer modes that you can play with friends. Consider playing with friends to enhance the game's social aspect and to have fun together. Part 3. What's the best Red Dead Redemption 2 walkthrough? There are many good Red Dead Redemption 2 walkthroughs available online, so it's difficult to single out one as the best. Here are a few popular options. 1. IGN's Red Dead Redemption 2 Wiki Guide. This is a comprehensive guide that covers everything from the game's main story to side quests, collectibles, and more. 2. Game Pressure's Red Dead Redemption 2 Guide. This guide is also very detailed and covers all aspects of the game, including tips and tricks for combat, exploration, and more. 3. PowerPYX's Red Dead Redemption 2 Trophy Guide and Roadmap. This guide is focused specifically on helping players achieve all of the game's trophies and achievements, so it's a good resource if you're a completionist. 4. Red Dead Redemption 2 Map. This is an interactive map that allows you to explore the game's world and find all of its secrets and hidden items. 5. Red Dead Redemption 2 Official Guide. The official guide is published by Rockstar Games and is a great resource for learning about the game's mechanics, systems, and secrets. These are just a few options, but there are many other great Red Dead Redemption 2 walkthroughs out there. It's worth checking out a few different ones to see which one works best for you. Part 4. Reliable resources that can help you improve your gameplay experience in Red Dead Redemption 2. Reddit's Red Dead Redemption 2 community. This subreddit is a great place to connect with other players, ask for advice, and share your experiences with the game. Search Red Dead Redemption 2 tips and tricks on YouTube. There are many YouTube channels that provide tips and tricks for playing Red Dead Redemption 2, such as Gaming with Abyss, Attackback TV, and GTA series videos. Google Red Dead Redemption 2 PC Optimization Guide. If you're playing the PC version of the game, this guide from PC Gamer can help you optimize your graphics settings for better performance. Dig around Red Dead Redemption 2 Wiki on Fandom. This wiki is a great resource for learning about the game's characters, locations, weapons, and more. Make the best of the Red Dead Redemption 2 map app. This is a mobile app that allows you to view the game's map and track your progress in real time.